Hi, good morning. I'm Jen Wall. Thank you so much for joining us. The Arizona Department of Health Services has just released new numbers on coronavirus cases statewide. DHS is reporting there are now 14,170 confirmed cases and 686 deaths. This comes as Arizona is ramping up its statewide testing blitz, extending it through the end of the month. Now, the state hopes to test up to 20,000 people every Saturday. We wrapped up our third round over the weekend. There are several free drive-through testing sites. Head over to 12news.com for a link to register. And as we inch closer to summer, many families want to know if they'll be able to send their child to camp. Well, here's 3 things you need to know about the CDC's new guidelines. First, screening children and employees will be essential. Second, the CDC also strongly suggests camps create some sort of social distancing measures, like keeping kids in small groups and staggering activity times. And finally, the CDC is ultimately leaving it up for each camp to decide if they will open or not. Meantime, we have an update on a story we have been following for you. It's about a Valley dancer who was struck on a cruise ship for more than 2 months because of the outbreak. This morning, she is finally home. Team 12's Trisha Hendricks shares the emotional reunion with her family.
Welcome home, McKenna covers the front of McKenna Madden's house. Her mom, Trish, filled with excitement and anticipation. While waiting for McKenna to arrive home after being stuck on a cruise ship for more than 2 months.
She's right there.
Emotion building as she spots her down the street. And then the moment McKenna and her mom see each other face to face for the first time. McKenna can't get to her mom fast enough, and after a slight hesitation,
Fine, I've been away from the public. I am okay.
they embrace.
My dogs don't even recognize me.
Hugs for family all around.
Round of applause.
Applause for the people who drove her home.
I love you guys.
Her luggage sanitized.
I'm beyond happy just to even see my doorstep.
I finally have my baby home.
The past several weeks have been hard,
That wasn't the best time in my life.
Stressful. Just the unknown.
and McKenna still hasn't been tested for coronavirus.
We did daily temperature checks twice a day. We had to wear a mask every time we left our cabin.
But she's thankful and lucky to be back on land, because after all, thousands of people, including her boyfriend, are still stuck on board.
He doesn't know when he's gonna go home.
From here, McKenna will be quarantined at home for a couple weeks.
Oh, I'm gonna eat some food, I'm gonna shower,
But camping out at home
I'm gonna sleep.
is exactly where she wants to be.
My own bed.
McKenna will never step foot on a cruise ship again.
Do not ever want to take a cruise in my life.
No chance, but she learned a lot.
How to stay calm in times of crisis.
And she'll never forget it.
2.5 months later, and I am home.
I can't wait to just catch up.
Trisha Hendricks, 12 News.
Oh my gosh, so great to see that reunion there. Well, the next time you request a ride from Uber, you better bring a face covering with you. Starting today, both drivers and passengers will have to wear masks. Drivers will have to take a picture of themselves wearing the mask, then upload the selfie into the app before they can pick up any passengers. The rider or driver can cancel a ride if the other does not wear a mask. Also, you will no longer be able to sit in the front seat. The new rules will continue through the end of June. And you can now check out books from the Phoenix Public Library starting today. This is amazing, but you still can't go inside. They have a way to get around it though. Instead, the library is offering curbside service, so you just put a hold on the book online, drive up and give them a call. Someone from the library will then bring the items to your car. The hours are 8 to 10 a.m. Monday through Saturday. All locations will offer the service except South Mountain Community Library. And let's go ahead and take another look at the new totals of coronavirus cases just released by the Arizona Department of Health Services. The Arizona Department of Health Services says that as far as these new numbers for the coronavirus go, DHS is reporting there are now 14,170 confirmed cases and 686 deaths. Then taking a closer look at the numbers here in Maricopa County. According to the county health department, there are 7,225 confirmed cases. 310 people have died, 931 are hospitalized, and 258 are in the intensive care unit. Don't forget, you can always find the latest information surrounding the coronavirus and how it's affecting Arizona on the 12 News app. It's free to download if you don't have it already. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this latest update. Have a great day and stay safe, Arizona.